Hi, thank you for choosing us. I'm gonna show you how to use water heater. First, make sure you have turned on the main switch outside the bathroom. Once the lights turn on, means it's ready to be used. Make sure both valves are pointing to the left. Left, right, left. Means it's open. Switch on the button at the water tank. Then adjust the regulator button to increase the heat. You will see the heating light is lighting up. Please wait 5 to 10 minutes for water to be heated. Pull valve to the left for hot water and right for cold water. Put up the small valve if you wish to use shower room. Twist this valve to adjust for portable or fixed shower room. Thank you, enjoy your stay.